T Squad. Thank you so much for coming back by, and if you're new to this channel, welcome. Please subscribe to become a T Squad. Early in the morning, I'm doing my skincare, and yeah guys, it's early in the morning, I'm doing my skincare. I'm just gonna do a Q&A while I'm doing my skincare. Ngoba nginqina ukuthi ibhore skincare nani ngizobhoreka uma ngilokhu ngenza skincare without talking. So rather let me answer some questions. I think in ngiyafisa ukwazi ngami. So yeah, let's do that. And yeah, hey, skincare yami guys ayiphelele, so angeke ngitshele each product that I'm using, but I will be showing you the products that I will be using. I don't know if it makes sense, but to me it makes sense. I'll be using my other phone to read the questions. So if I'm looking down, I'm looking at my other phone. If I'm looking down, I'm rinsing my face because usinkola. That's it. Yeah. So the first question is, what is the hardest thing I've ever had to deal with in my life so far? Okay. The hardest thing I had to deal with in my life so far, I'm damping my face by the way with the water. The hardest thing I had to deal with in my life so far was the passing of my mother. Lokho kwangibulala ngaphakathi. I think that's the hardest thing I had to deal with in my entire life. Akukho kunye, kushona kwamanje, kushona kwamama, ikhona okwangenza ukuthi ngiqine. By the way, my mom was shona 17 years back. So I was young. I was quite young. But so look, mama showed me flames. But sikona siyapila, siyaright. So yeah. The next question was, if you could go back in time and change one thing about your past, what would it be? Same thing, the passing of my mother. But futhi ukushintsha lokho ngaba kungenzi lo muntu enguyena namhlanje, so I don't think I would change it, but just to have isikhathi esincane naye nje, yonke just ukuba naleso sikhathi nje naye, khuluma naye would change a lot of things about me today. So khuluma naye, uba naye duze kwakhe, understand izimo ezithile yabo nempilo indlela eyiyona. So nje into ehlangene noma phakathi phela yena nje umuntu engimkhumbulayo. And my brother, having a brother ungamkhumbuli kahle ngoba washona na-1, that's crazy. I know ungamkhumbuli kahle, ungamkhumbuli at all, because I was one. He was few months. Do you get me? Exactly. Yeah. The next question was, which city would you live in if you could live wherever you wanted to live? If I would move a city, in a place, I would go to Okay, the first wash. I-face wash engisebenzisile guys le. Ile face wash le. Ile face wash le engisebenzisile. Manje ngisebenzisa uPortia M lo. Ngoba ngithe ngizonikhumbuza kodwa manje angisakhumbuli lutho nami. Ngithe ngizomkhombisa nje angisamkhombisi lutho nami. Ngithatha ucotton njalo. Isithi engamuvela kuyona mina guys. It's the Mother City Namanga. I get Mother City ngase ngaphapha. This is the city of gold. Johannesburg. Ngase ngaphapha. Guys, mina ngiyithanda iGoli. Ngiyithanda futhi ukuhlala eGoli. Nginesibuko njalo ngala. Ngangiboni ngithi ngibuka isibukweni. Ngiyithanda ukuhlala eGoli mina guys. Kuyangichaza ukuhlala eGoli. Ngizibona ngihlala eGoli futhi ngelinye ilanga, but angikuthandi ukukhulisa umndeni wami eGoli. Angazi noma it makes sense. Ngingahlala eGoli while I'm still hustling, trying to stand with my both feet, but not ukuthi ngikhulisele ingane zami eGoli. No. I don't see myself around late 30s ngihlala eGoli. No. Ngikhuluma nangezandla mina guys, angenzi into ekumele ngenze. So nje iGoli nami into eyodwa. Johannesburg nami same WhatsApp group, you guys. Same WhatsApp group iGoli nami. Ngingahlala nje khona ngi-enjoy impilo khona. My skin, child. My skin. Top 2 and not 2. Let me read the next question, guys. I'm just gonna read probably 5 questions and then I'm done with this video. Ngoba phela skincare must start 200 hours, man. Okay. Have you ever loved someone who you did not? Okay, have you ever loved someone who did not love you? Child. That question is cutting deep. That question is cutting deep, child. I'm going to see how those sound today. Sound, guys. The flash it so I'm using my day cream normal skin for normal skin. Day cream for normal skin, guys. I loved someone. Don't get me wrong, they loved me, but India didn't was doing crazy things. It's not love. And I feel like India bebengithanda ngayo, bebethanda ukuthi ngiseduze kwabo, not ukuthi ngithandane nabo. Angazi noma it makes sense. Ngithanda ukuthi bengangithola abanye abantu ngoba he knew ukuthi I have uthando and ngiyamkhathalela umuntu and nje nginaleyo nhliziyo nanokuthi ngingamthola umuntu njengami. So he was playing his game safe, but I don't think ngingithanda loyana ngoba no child. The things he did, siyasabisa. Ngambulala umuntu wena. Not ukuthi but crunchy. Crazy business. Shame abanye abantu. The next question is what are the things that bothers you in a relationship? The thing that bothers me in a relationship. umuntu ongekho romantic, umuntu ocabanga ukuthi, oh, I'm using my tissue oil by the way. Umuntu oyitshela ukuthi, oh God, people are using water and kuyakhala, but oh, the noise. God, umuntu oyitshela ukuthi akumele abe romantic, umuntu oyitshela ukuthi i-relationship is. Guys, if I'm ifanyanyisa i-temperature, angathi ngigcinephi kwama-questions and sengiqedile ukwenza that engiyenza, so ngisaqhubeka. I'm just closing the vlog. I'm just closing the vlog. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Noma ngethi sense kodwa ke I hope you enjoy. Nama into engayenza ifoni yami minus temperature kumele ngiyilalele. So yeah guys, yeah. Till we meet again. Bye fam. Bye T Squad. Uyanthanda mother of the T Squad. Uyanthanda mother of the T Squad. Uyanthanda mother of the T Squad. Get your life, little mama, won't you get your life on?